guys, hope you're well. We just got our smoothie box delivered. And I wanted to open it up while you're here and show you what's inside and talk a little bit about what you can expect if you get a Smoothie Box subscription or single delivery. So Smoothie Box is an offshoot of Butcher Box, and we've been subscribers there for years and years. And I kind of watched Butcher Box packaging evolve over the early years, and I was very happy that Smoothie Box has adopted all the same really great packaging practices that Butcher Box has. So you'll get a couple layers of insulated cardboard, and I've already opened this up just to take the dry ice out. Everything comes with dry ice, so that will arrive frozen when you get it at your house. And then inside there are boxes of different types of smoothies, and this time I got the variety pack, so it has 4 different types of smoothies in it. There's a green, oh, this one is the cacao. There's a cacao smoothie. I'll show you more details about all of them in a minute. And they come in these boxes like this so that you can just like stack them right in your freezer if you don't feel like dealing with a mess in the freezer. They're super convenient, which is great. Okay, this is the green one. And there's a berry one. This one might be my favorite. This or the cacao. It's a berry one. And there's clementine. That's the clementine one looks like. I think the packaging is so beautiful too. So Smoothie Box is super, super convenient because they have all the ingredients that you need for your smoothie except for the liquid just packed right in here. You have a choice of adding protein if you want to, and Smoothie Box sells collagen peptides that you can buy separately and add them if you want to, or you don't have to do that. We usually end up just either adding our own protein powder, or sometimes I just use soy milk as the base liquid, and that has protein in it as well. So you can choose what you want to do there. But these guys are so super convenient and they taste really good. Let me show you. I'm trying to decide which one I'll show you. Let's look at the berry one. I'm just gonna pour it out into a little bowl so you can see what's in there. The ingredients on this one are wild blueberries, organic strawberries, organic cauliflower, organic sweet potato puree, organic banana puree, organic raw hemp seeds, organic lemon juice, and organic beet juice. So all the ingredients in all of these are organic and vegan and gluten-free. And the macros are amazing in these. If you're into making sure that you have a great ratio of fat to protein to carbs, these are absolutely the smoothies for you. So I'm going to show you. It's like awesome. These beautiful little wild blueberries, magical, and strawberries. And this is like a puree that's frozen into little pieces that has a bunch of the different other ingredients in it. Oh, and there's like tiny little pieces of cauliflower. So that's lots of real fruit and veg. In some of the different flavors you can actually see, like there's pumpkin seeds in one that you can see. The hemp seeds usually you can't quite find. Yeah, but so what you do is put that in a blender with usually 8 to 10 ounces of your preferred liquid, and if you want to blend in some protein you can, and mix it all up, and that's it, which is great on busy mornings. So this one I just made up a couple just to show you. This is the green smoothie. This one, let me tell you what it has in it. This one has spinach, Granny Smith apples, all organic everything, pineapple, avocado, which is nice and creamy, apple juice, lemon juice, flax seeds, and some hemp hearts. And then this one, just to show you real quick, is the cacao one, which is really good too. This one might be my favorite, or the berry, I'm not sure. But different people seem to like different ones the best. A cool thing that I like a lot about Smoothie Box is that even though it's convenient and you can get just like a regular basic box like this with all the different flavors in it every 4 to 6 weeks if you want to, you can also do a lot of customization. So you can, instead of doing a subscription, if you just want one box in your delivery, you can do that, which is cool, which I like a lot. And then also, if you want to, you can customize the contents of your box. So If you wanted one that was like all cacao or all berry, you could absolutely do that as well. Okay, I hope this was helpful. I'm gonna go drink one of my smoothies now. Talk to you later. Bye.